Here's a question. Might need to move the video around here, I'm not sure. Find my whiteboard running. Here's a maths question. Whoa. Now you all know how to do that's how it works. Add-ups like that. This is 138 plus 274. Actually, we're going to change that. I'm going to make it 138 plus 74. These are MAB blocks. Have you seen these before in schools? That's 100, 10 by 10. That's a 10. These are usually called flats, these are called minis. So here is 130. Sorry, they're longs, not minis. 134. Hope you can see from the back, but you can imagine. There's 8 there, 138. Here's 74. 70, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so let's do the question. 138 plus 74, what do? We say 4 plus 8 is 12. And put down the 2, carry the 1. Let's do it. 4 plus 8 is 12. So would you like to put down the 2? Would you like to carry the 1? Put down the 2 sounds like something you do to very, very sick. You don't put down the 2 and carry the 1 at all. That actually isn't what happens. It's the language that we use because it kind of makes sense there. But what do we really do? Let me show you what we really do, hopefully. Thanks. With a bit of luck. There's 8. Let's put 4 down here. Was it 4? Add a couple more up there. So that's 8. Here's 38. There's 138. Let's put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Got 1 too many. So we now have 138 plus 74. This is what we really do. We really say there's 4 there. If we add another 6 to it, whoops. And do I need one more?
Yes.
Thank you. And put them together, they become 10. What you're really doing is gluing these together. You're actually grouping them. And then, of course, because that's now a 10, we can move it over there into the 10s column. You're not really carrying anything. You're actually grouping. One more. Is that it? And you group them And there's our answer. And I should have clicked begin problem, but never mind. So we got 212. The point of doing that is to say that when you say put down the 2, carry the 1, then 1 and 7 is 8 and 3 is 11, put down the 1, carry the 1. That's not 1 at all. That's actually 10. This isn't 7. This is actually 70. So actually 10 plus 70 plus 30 is 110, which is 110. And when you regroup it, you get 100, and 100 plus 100 makes 200. The language that we use for putting down and carrying is what Skemp would call instrumental understanding. It works. It's a method that you can teach quickly. It's actually not what's happening mathematically. And sometimes the language that we use just reinforces that kind of rote learning without actually understanding what's happening. So if I was doing this, and I know this sounds really pedantic, I'd be saying this. 4 plus 8 is 12, which you regroup as 1 10 and 2 1s. You now have 1 10 plus 7 10s plus 3 10s. 1 10 plus 7 10 plus 3 10s is 11 10s, which is 100 and 110. 100 and 100 makes 200. Rather than put down the 2, carry the 1. Because that's reinforcing instrumental understanding. The whole point of doing that is that it relies on the mathematics of place value. That's the understanding that sort of sits with it. Skemp also talked about mathematics as being either, some people see it as a set of rules and instructions, and my guess is if I asked most of you what maths was like at school, that's probably what you'd say, a whole lot of rules and instructions. And there's nothing wrong with having some rules and instructions, but mathematics